Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be doing a makeup tutorial. Actually, not not really a professional makeup tutorial, but a tutorial.
Hold up.
So let's just dive into the video. Now I'm giving my eyebrow a nice shape with my eye pencil, a normal regular eye pencil actually. I do same thing with the both side of my eyebrows. No, just shape and shape and shape. Then I brush it out with my brush. Then I use my concealer to concealer underneath of my eyebrow, the top and the under, and I do it with the both sides, same thing with the both side of my eyebrows. It's not actually easy. I think a lot of people have problem doing their eyebrows, and I understand the struggles, babe. I understand it. Then I use my concealer on my eyelid. I don't know actually what's called. So I use my eyebrow there. I take my eyeshadow. I use those two colors, the darker one and the lighter part, and I dab my eyeshadow to it. Just dab and dab and dab. Don't brush it actually. Just dab. You have to dab it. And dab and dab and dab. So actually this look is what I wear every day when I want to, not everyday makeup actually, but when I want to go out, when I want to look good, with some makeup on. This is what I actually do. I love this eyeshadow. I don't know why. I think it gives me that not too much smoky kind of look, smoky eyeshadow, but I love it. Then I take my darker part of my eyeshadow and use it on my crease, and I just continue to blend and blend and blend, baby. All you have to do is just to blend, 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 and blend. It's not really easy to blend, but with time, I will get there. You know what I mean? Well, we get there, baby. And I do the same thing with the second one. Same color, darker part, and on the crease and blend. Then I use my eyeliner to give some, classic basic line to make it look more sexy with a catty kind of look. I love it. I love it long and I love it extra. I don't know why. And I do the same thing with the both side of my eye. Now I'm using my mascara. Normally I don't wear eyelashes. I don't know why, but I'm not into eyelashes. I love using my mascara, just my mascara, to make it look a little bit calm, not too extravagant, extra, just too extra. I prefer my mascara. Then and I use my pencil, eye pencil, for the underneath of my eye, for the both side actually. I do it with the both side, and that is it. Now I'm going to use my foundation for
Behind
Fenty.
closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
I just add it to my face and dab and dab and dab. I dab it until it's blend all over my face. Then I take my concealer and use it underneath of my eye to, highlight my eye. Underneath of my eye, I don't need it to look darky. I just do that. And later I blend. I do to the both side of my eyes. And then I take my blending foam and blend it. Blend, 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 blend. Babe, you have to blend. Makeup needs blending. And I do the same thing with on the cheek of my face, with my jaw, with my forehead. I don't know why, but I just do it. Oh my god. You have to blend and blend and blend. Makeup is all about blending, baby. And then and I take my contour kit and I contour underneath of my cheekbone and on my forehead to make it look more natural, to make it look darker there, not to look shiny with it too much of foundation. I think not actually, I think this will make it look more natural and more basic. I don't know if I should call it more basic though. If I'm wrong, you can correct me. So I'm up for correction. You have to blend, 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 and blend. Everything about makeup is blending, baby. You have to blend. Then I contour my nose, both sides of my nose. I just contour it, contour, and contour, and contour. And blend. Again, blend. I said blend. You just have to blend and blend and blend. Actually, this look is a normal look for me. I always do this. I don't know if you know me, you know that I'm always with one look, and this is just the look I'm always with. I don't know why I do this, but that's just it. Then I use my face powder that is from Kiko. I use it all over my face. I bought it from Instagram, online shopping, things like that. Yeah, I bought it from Kiko and this color was not actually my color, but later I think I was getting to, getting used to the color, looking more darker with it. I love it though. So this is my baking powder from Fenty Beauty, the little one. And you just have to dab it underneath of your eye, wherever you want to put it, and blend also. Everything, baby, is blendy, blendy, and blending. Just have to blend, 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 blend. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching. If you're already here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to your Get channel. So please support. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. So this is just it. I actually love this look. It was the look I did when I did a video on my channel. Yeah. Then underneath my lips, I always do this. I always do it because I have bigger lips. I actually love to make it look more smaller. That is why I always do this. And some lipstick are not good with my lips. I try to underline it before using my lip gloss. Okay, now I'm using my lipstick, and now I'm trying to blend it, blend everything, blend and blend and blend. You don't just need to blend it with the brush, simple brush, and you're good to go, baby. You are good to go, good to go. Don't mind my echo voice. I know I don't know how to sing, but I don't have to give up. I love music. You just have to blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. So the final look will be here. This is it. Hello, babes. What do you think about my final look? I think I look more basic without the eyelashes, but when you use the eyelashes, give you more serious and sexy look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.